Vamos agora ver uma cascata aqui, não sei bem aonde. Aqui à frente uma pessoa com ofrendas todos os dias dão. E acho que há aqui uma vista espetacular. Pode ser isso.
It's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Show you.
Look here, element. Warm. This the photo.
Wow.
Beautiful nature, eh?
Very beautiful.
Yeah. This is a Balinese offering. We call chanang.
Sanang.
Yeah. So get good luck, you know. If you want to go down, you can go down. About 10 minutes until there. 5 minutes maybe.
Huh?
5 minutes.
You wanna go down?
Maybe you have a drink?
He's having good luck, yeah?
Yeah. Good luck too.
Tiga punta. Thank you. Vizinhos.
Guys, não importa. Dá-me uma.
Essa?
Outra. Fotografia que está
Essa, mãe.
The water come from volcano. You know volcano? In Bali we have volcano.
Ah,
Yeah.
it's beautiful this.
Yeah.
Do you work here?
No, I work in Ubud.
Ubud. Where
Yeah.
is Ubud? It's far from here?
No, about 15 minutes from here.
50 minutes.
Yeah.
Right or left then?
We have like this. Zigzag.
Uh,
Don't worry, you come with me free. Don't worry. Yeah, sure. I'm Balinese.
I don't have much money, man.
Yeah, I know.
Serious.
Yeah. But you must, you just looking to my place because we have very nice agro-tourism plantation, Bali coffee, you know. We walk like this. We have juice, 7 juice, you get free. You know, lemon, lemongrass, lemon tea, like that. How long we stay in Bali?
Just 8 days.
8 days.
Yeah.
It's good. You come to Bali first time?
Yes.
All the day you stay in Jimaran?
Yeah, yeah. But we want to change.
Maybe in Ubud, maybe you get more cheap.
Yeah?
Yeah, we have
How much?
white out swimming pool, you know swimming pool.
Uh-huh.
White out
Wet?
yeah.
How much?
220
220.
rupiah, the same like $15. Cheap.
Yeah, it's cheap.
Yeah, in Jimaran. Where we stay in Jimaran?
I don't know the name. Villa Purin.
Villa Puri, Japan.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
It's expensive, Villa.
No, this thing is just the name.
Yeah.
Maybe you can show me in Ubud
Yeah, yeah.
and then
Yeah, good. This another waterfall, small one. This we call Beji.
Beji.
Yeah, Beji.
Why?
Beji temple.
Beji temple.
Yeah, this is for Balinese Hinduism.
Uh-huh.
Like we have a big ceremony. The people take holy water inside
Uh-huh.
for prepare ceremony.
Ah.
Like this. Like this. It's called Beji.
Do you have monkeys in Ubud, yeah?
Yeah, I show you monkey forest in good. Very good.
Estamos a
Very
vir.
nice for the rafting, you know, rafting.
Aham, yeah. Tira aí uma fotografia aqui. Pá, estamos a ir agora aqui a uma cascata. Sem esse senhor nunca conseguiríamos vir. É pá, que coisa espetacular.
You can take a photo, do like that.
Oh my god. Olhem bem para isto. É inacreditável.
Okay, please look in. Please look.
Thank you.
Desliga, não?
Liga.